Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be discussing some of the SQL queries which will be very much useful for you to clear some of the concepts. Okay, so welcome guys. Okay, so let's start. The first one is, so before getting this, so let's consider this table employee which is created. Okay, so employee is having employee ID, name, date of joining, salary and department name. Okay, and these are the data type, and employee ID is the primary key which is there for the table employee. Okay, so this is the table which we are going to consider. So so for this, what we will use, that upper is a function. Okay, upper is a function which can be used. So select, what we are going to select, we are going to select name, and it should be in upper, so upper we will use over here. Select upper name from employee. So this should be our query. Let's see what is the query. So okay, select upper name from employee. Name is the attribute in the table employee, and this is the table. Okay, and this is the table. Done. So let's see next query. So SQL query to fetch unique values of department name. So whenever this unique is there, this means that distinct, all the values should be distinct. So distinct is a keyword that we will use. So select distinct. Okay, so it will select all the distinct, what we want, department name from employee. So this is the query. Employee is the table name and department name is the attribute in this table. Okay, is the column in this table employee, and we want all the unique department name. Okay, so this may be the case that employee A, B, C, there are three employees. They are working in department, say EC department. B is also working in EC department, and C is working in IT department. So this distinct keyword will give us like EC and IT only. Okay, so these are the distinct department names of the employee. So let's see the query. So the query is select distinct department name from employees. Done. Okay, so distinct is the keyword where which we are using for fetching the unique values of the department names. So now the query is print the first three characters of the name. So in case of SQL, what is the case? In when there is string, it starts from 1 to the length of the string. Okay, starts from 1 to the length of the string. We know that in general cases it starts from 0, but in case of SQL the string starts from 1. Okay, so if the name is Ram, so it is 1 2 3. If the name is Raghav, okay, if the name is Raghav, then it is 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this way. So the string starts with 1. So for here the function is substring. You want substring from which one? We want the substring from name attribute, and we want first three characters, so it is 1 comma 3. So this is the function we will use. So we want to select it. Select substring name 1 comma 3 from employee. So this will be the query for this question. Okay, so let's see the answer. So select substring name 1 comma 3 from employee. The only thing that you need to remember is that here the string starts from 1, okay, not from 0. So now we need to print the details of the employee which contains A. So this is Ram. Yes, it contains A. This is Raghav, the another employee which contains A. Okay, so we need to print all the details for this employee which contains A. So for this we will be using like operator. Okay, so which contains A, so this will be percentage A percentage. This means anything can be over here, anything can be over here, and which contains A. If the query is like it should start with A, then A percentage. If the query is like it should end with A, then it should be percentage A. So this percentage is called as wildcard character. Okay, wildcard character. This means anything can be over there. So the query for this thing is select star from employee, where name like percentage A percentage. Okay, so here we are using like operator. So let's see the query. So okay, so name should be like this way, which contains the letter A. Okay, which contains the letter A, and we want all the details, so we are using star. And if we want particular detail only, then we can write the column name, like if we want name, if we want salary. But if we want all details, then we are using star. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now SQL query to find the maximum salary of the employee. We know that in employee one attribute was there regarding salary. So to find the max salary, we are having one function called as max. Okay, called as max salary. So simply select what we want. We want to see what is the max salary of the employee. Max salary from employee. So this is the query. Let's see. Okay, so simple. So max is a function which we are using over here from employee to get the maximum salary of the employee. Now we need to find the second highest salary of the employee. So to find the second highest salary of the employee, we are using the concept called as subquery. Okay, so in subquery, this is query inside query. So this is outer query, and inside this there will be inner query. So the inner query will be executed first and then the outer query will be executed. Okay, so here to find this thing, what we'll do is that inner query I'm writing as select max salary from employee. I'm just finding the max salary. I will tell you why. Okay, this is my inner query. And for outer query, what I will write? Select max salary from employee. Okay, from employee where salary not in select max salary from employee. So this is the query for this. I will explain you by taking one example. So let's see. Okay, where salary? So this is correct. So let's see. Let say the salary of the employees are 10,000, 5,000, 7,000, and 8,000. Okay, so this is the first max highest salary and this is the second highest salary. So we want the output of this query as 8,000. Okay, so we want to print the second highest salary of the employee. So for this query, the result will be 10,000, right? Select max salary from employee. As I told, the inner query will be executed first. Okay, the inner query will be executed first, and from now 10,000 is the result of this inner query. Now we need to find the maximum salary from the employee, which and this not in. Okay, you are able to see this not in operator. Okay, not in operator. So this 10,000 is removed, and from this thing we want to find the maximum. So among 5,000, 7,000 and 8,000, the maximum among this is 8,000. So this will give us the second highest salary. Okay, so this will give us the second highest salary. So we are selecting the max salary which is not there in the maximum salary. So this highest salary is removed and we will get the second highest salary. Okay, so let's see to the next question. Okay, now we need to find the top 10 records by salary. For this, here we will be using order by. With order by, we will be using ascending and descending. This ascending ordering is by default, so we don't have to specify the ascending keyword. So we will be using a descending keyword whenever we want to order it in a descending order. So we need to find the top 10 records salary. So the ordering should be in descending manner. Okay, so the query will be like select star from employee, order by, salary. Okay, and it should be there in descending order, but okay, this will give the result for all the employees, but we need to give the detail only for top 10. So we will use one more keyword as limit 10. Okay, keyword, this limit is used. Okay, so we want only the top 10 records of the employee which are and done the ordering by the salary. So this is the query, select star from employee. We want all the details of the employee, right? And limit 10, we want only 10 details, and by ordering by salary in descending order. So guys, thank you for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading very new tricks and clearing out your concepts. So do subscribe. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thanks a lot.